These are the first cases I could get my hands on for the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Z Fold 8 Ultra. I have cases from SUPCASE, Benks, PITAKA, Nillkin, Mobosi, Tongate, and Berfy. I'm gonna try all these cases on to see which ones I like the best, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you. As always, I'll be giving some of these cases away for free for those who subscribe and comment. More details at the end of this video. I'm shooting this video before the phones are officially announced because these case companies were able to send me their cases as soon as possible. So make sure you check the description for the most up-to-date pricing, links to the products, and discount codes for many of them. Because why pay full price if you don't have to? Just a couple of quick things. At the time of this video, only a couple of companies had the Z Fold 8, the wide version, available, but I'll update the links in the description if and when they become available. The Z Fold 7 and the Z Fold 8 Ultra seem to be the exact same size and shape. And in my experience, the 8 Ultra cases fit the 7 perfectly. The only difference I could find is that the power button is a little bit lower on the 8 Ultra. So for better results, I'm actually going to try all of these cases on the Z Fold 7, except when I'm showing you the power button cutout, I'll switch to the dummy phone of the 8 Ultra. Alright, let's get started. This is the SUPCASE UB Grip case for the Fold 8 and the Ultra. This case has full protection, front, back, and hinge. It comes with two front covers, one that's clear and one that's a privacy screen. The one I got for the regular Fold did not come with a privacy screen. This is a cool case, I really like the design. It comes in multiple colors including clear. This is the frosted black version. Now this is a really rugged case with military grade drop protection. It's very protective and it does add some bulk to this ultra thin phone. Really good grips though. If you want to protect your phone, this isn't a bad choice. Grips all along the sides, both sides, and the buttons are completely exposed, which I like. I mean, you need the fingerprint anyway, so might as well have buttons that are easy to press. Really nice height on that bezel protecting the screen. Same thing with the lens protection, really solid. Pretty good hand feel for an ultra protective phone. Cutouts for the USB-C, it fits my large USB cable. This one has a nice kickstand too, I love these. It's very sturdy, solid, works in all different angles. Test out the MagSafe. Oh, that's very sticky. Really good MagSafe. I can't get this off. Ah, I love that. The privacy screen works very well. I do have my Z Fold 7 in here, so drop test? Oh. Alright, it protected last year's model too. So this case is for someone who values protection over anything else. Really, just all around excellent protection, grips like no other, comes with the privacy screen. The screen sometimes misses my taps, but other than that, it's pretty good. The SUPCASE models with the stand range from about 69 to 75, and the grip cases are between 85 and 95. But check the description for the most up-to-date pricing and discount codes. Next up, this is the Benks ArmorGrid Grand Combo Series. These cases provide all-around protection, that's front, back, and hinge, and they include the Benks Glass Warrior screen protectors. They're very minimalistic, but they provide all-around protection. It keeps the phone feeling thin and light. The hand feel is excellent. It has that aramid fiber, nice and grippy, and from personal experience, I dropped my Z Fold 7 in the garage twice, and it was fine. The case barely even had a scratch. The bezels provide all-around protection, excellent camera lens protection as well. I really like the way it opens and closes, very smooth. All the buttons are completely exposed, so they're very easy to press, obviously. Very shallow, so you could fit anything in that USB. I assume just like last year's, the MagSafe's gonna work nicely. This is the matching pop grip stand. Matches the blue case perfectly. I've already drop tested this on concrete. Ow. And yeah, these are really my favorite Z Fold cases, and I suspect they will still be at the end of this video. That said, the prices are $109 and $119 respectively. But I do have discount codes in the description while they last. But for me, there's no negatives. Great hand feel, really great all-around protection, comes with an excellent screen protector, MagSafe works really well, and last year's models survived several real-life drops from me. Moving on! This is the PITAKA case. For people who love minimalistic like myself and keeping the Z Fold as thin as possible, love the PITAKA case. That said, it's only to protect the back and the camera lenses. No front screen protection and no hinge protection. Amazing hand feel, it pretty much feels like the phone with some extra grip. There's that really nice aramid fiber feel. Great camera lens protection. Minimalistic cutouts exposing all the buttons. Shallow USB port. Should accommodate anything you stick into it. Really nice minimalistic design, and it comes in other colors. Really good MagSafe too. I don't really want to do this. Alright, it's good, it's good. Some people ask this, but below me are hardwood floors. Once someone sends me a free phone, maybe I'll switch to concrete. But yeah, overall, I always love these cases. They protect the back of the phone, they protect the camera lens, and they give you a little bit extra grip. It sells for about 59 bucks. Check for discounts in the description. And it might seem a lot for such a thin case, but it is made with premium materials. Okay. This is the Nillkin Super Frosted Shield Fold. Not really sure what's frosted about this. Maybe I got the wrong color. All around protection, front, back, hinge. First thing I notice is the hand feel, which I really like. I feel like Nillkin improved in their hand feel. Really nice material, and the back is very grippy. This case looks nice and protective. The bezels come up nice and high to protect the screen. Excellent camera lens protection, leaving only the lenses exposed. Great for protecting against the dust that gets in there. Now they do have their own buttons for the volume, and they actually press very nicely. Obviously the power is exposed for your fingerprint. Nice USB-C cutout, fits my obnoxious USB. MagSafe works very well, opens and closes nice and smooth. Drop test? Oh, it hurts every time. Excellent. You know, I'm really impressed with this case, and it looks like it's only around $49.99 at the time of this video, and by the time you're watching this, I may have discount codes in the description. But yeah, this is a really great, balanced case, all around protection, excellent hand feel. I love how super frosted it is. Doesn't add much bulk to the phone, but I wouldn't say it's minimalistic. Pretty good. This is the Mobosi case for the Z Fold 8 series. This case has all around protection, so front, back, and hinge, and it comes with 2 screen protectors, in case you f up the first time. Okay, so this has a very interesting design, just the way the hinge is, and the hand feel is okay. I feel like they improved since last year. Just a little bulky, but it also has pretty nice grips too. So like, okay hand feel. It offers very nice protection for the screen, so if you drop your phone a lot, it's not bad to have. Very nice lens protection. It slopes down on the bottom as not to interfere with MagSafe. It does have its own volume buttons, but they press very nice and smooth. And of course the cutout for the power button. Opens and closes pretty nicely. My fat USB fits in nicely. And this one also has a ring stand, which I love, and it spins. It's nice that you can adjust the viewing angles too. MagSafe works pretty well too. I'm sticking a ring stand on a ring stand. I'll do a drop test. Excellent. So yeah, this is a protective case. I'm not in love with the design. Decent hand feel. Love the ring stand. Nice and protective. And it comes with a couple of screen protectors if that's your thing. Mobosi really improved from last year. The Mobosi case is about 70 bucks at the time of this video. Be sure to check the description for updated pricing and discounts. Okay, this is the Tongate case for the Z Fold 8 series. This case provides all-around protection, front, back, and hinge, and it has a built-in screen protector with a privacy screen. Now, the cases from Tongate are usually built like tanks, and this one looks like no exception, except it actually feels like it's a little more minimalistic than previous year models. Much better hand feel. I wonder if they've been watching my videos. And look at this entire thing opens up, I guess to be a kickstand. It's a little grippy just because of the shape, but not because of the material. I'm not confident this wouldn't slip out of your hand. The bezels come up nice and high to protect the screen. The lenses are completely covered, so ultimate lens protection, but then you gotta open it up to take pictures. Snaps open nicely, and even with it open, the lenses are protected. It does have its own volume buttons, but they press very well. Obviously the power button is exposed for your fingerprints, and the privacy screen works really well too. Let's test my awkward USB cable. Fits in nicely. Let's open up the kickstand. That works very well. This is extremely sturdy, and it works in both orientations. There's also a hidden credit card holder inside here. Pretty convenient to have, although I will say it was kind of difficult to take the cards out. I'm gonna assume there's no MagSafe here. No MagSafe. Happy to do a drop test. Yeah, this case is a little big and bulky for me, but if you're looking for extra protection and really want to protect those lenses, you want a very sturdy kickstand, this might be for you. Not the most attractive, but gets the job done. The Tongate is about 80 bucks at the time of this video. Check the description for updated pricing and discounts. This is the Berfy case for the Z Fold 8 series. Why is it called Berfy? Please tell me in the comments. This case provides all-around protection, front, back, hinge, and it comes with a built-in screen protector with a privacy screen. So many private people. Okay, first thing I noticed is the hand feel is not bad. Like, they made some improvements in the hand feel department. It's still a little bulky, but it's not that bad. I feel like it could be a little grippier as far as the material goes, but just the shape of it, the way it fits in my hand, I don't feel like it's gonna slip. Very good protection around the front screen. The bezels come up nice and high. This has complete lens protection because it's covered. It snaps open nicely to expose the lenses, and they're still protected while it's open. It does have its own volume buttons, easy to press, exposed power button for the fingerprints, opens and closes pretty nicely. The hinge is making kind of a squishy noise though. The USB looks like it's exposed enough to fit my awkward USB cable, and there is a convenient kickstand on the back. It's very sturdy when you turn the phone in landscape, also works in portrait, and of course when the phone is open. Privacy screen works very well. I feel like with any of these built-in screens you lose a little bit in terms of button presses. Drop test, and I'm assuming no MagSafe. Nope, none at all. Yeah, this is a very protective case. It is on the bulky side, it doesn't have the best hand feel, and not particularly attractive, but it's extremely protective, protects the lens completely, has a cool kickstand, and a built-in screen protector with privacy screen. The Berfy case is about $70 at the time of this video. Remember to check the description for updated pricing and discounts. Before I get to the giveaway, let me just say that these 7 brands were able to send me their cases prior to launch so I could get a video up as soon as possible. So if you didn't see your favorite brand, just stay tuned for future videos, they're on their way. And I read all of the comments, and keep in mind that we all have different preferences. Some people like as minimalistic as possible, like me. Other people want as much protection as possible. There's no right answer, it's just what works for you. And make sure to check the description because I have links with the pricing, and some of these companies did not have the wide version yet, so I'll do my best to update these and the discount codes as they come in. And here are the details of the giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away Z Fold cases. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and make a comment. Pretty much any comment you want, just don't be rude because then you're out. Once my channel hits 5,500 subscribers, I'm gonna put the comments in a spreadsheet and use a random number generator to choose 3 lucky winners, and I'll reach out to send you a free Z Fold case. Then once my channel hits 6,000 subscribers, I'll give away another 3 cases. And if I still have some left over, well, I'll keep it going from there. And I'll make sure to keep a comment pinned so you're aware of what the next threshold is. So please subscribe to my channel, let me know what you think in the comments, and as always, thank you so much for watching.